Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kay here, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell from the title, I'm back with another hair review. Today's hair is sponsored by Beauty Forever. Y'all know this is not a new company to my channel. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this color on natural 1B hair. So make sure you guys continue watching. I'm gonna show you the whole process of me dyeing, me trying some viral TikTok methods. So make sure you guys check the description bar for all the hair links, all the hair details. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, follow Beauty Forever on Instagram, check out their website. Definitely one of my top highly recommended hair companies. So make sure you guys go check them out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, is so fly. You can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. Goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Bring on your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?